It is no longer new that YouTube is changing lives, and there are a lot of creators out there benefiting from YouTube, and I don't know what you are waiting for. The problem here is that there are a lot of information online on how to create YouTube account, but not all the information you see there actually reveal the secret. And this is exactly why I have made this video, to show you how to create a functional YouTube account in 2026. This is the secret a lot of creators are using, and I'm giving it out for free. Without wasting time, let's get down to business. So guys, I'm currently creating the account from my mobile phone. So all you need to do is to download YouTube from your Play Store, Apple Store, or iOS Store. So let's click on YouTube. So we are on YouTube right away. So what you need to do here is to click on this place you see you. That is your profile. You click on it. And then the next thing you see here, you see create a channel. Look at it here. Create a channel. So we are going to click on create a channel. And then you are required to change your photos for your channel. You can put any photo of your choice. All you need to do is to click on this photo icon, and then it will take you to your gallery where you select any photo of your choice and put that photo there. So the next thing here is the channel name. You are going to put your channel name. What is your channel name all about? Let's say my channel name is about relationship advice. I will put relationship advice and click save. The next thing here is my channel handle. Now, the moment I write relationship advice, YouTube automatically give me a handle, relationship advice R6B. That is dash R6B. Now, when you look at it carefully, the name of my channel reflects in the handle of my channel. That is the legit way to go about creating YouTube channel. That is the recent practice. The name of your channel must reflect in the handle. So what I will need to do here next is to click on create. Now, currently say that this name can be used for YouTube. Try different name. There are a lot of channels already bearing relationship advice. So let me try a different name here. Let me put it Emmy relationship advice. And you can see that it is updated on my handle. So let me click create channel. And boom, channel created. Now let's click on our profile, this you again, and then let's view our channel. Now you have your analytics, and you have edit channel, and you have your username here, and you have your channel name here. So we are going to click on edit channel. Here, what we need to do is to write the description of our channel. What is your channel all about? That is what you need to write here. You need to make it simple, clear, and straightforward, so that when somebody click on description of your channel, the person should be able to capture what your channel is all about in less than 30 seconds. So you are going to write a perfect, short, simple description for your channel. Let's say you say this channel offers relationship advice about men and women. You can put full stop. You can write this channel, sorry. You can write more, but the basis here is to make it simple so that if someone glances at it, the person can be able to see what your channel is all about. It's not about writing lengthy, it's about simplifying it. Then you click save. Now our channel has been created. There is a place here, when you look here, you see this image. It is called banner. It is the banner of your channel. In my subsequent video, I will show you how to create banners for your channel. Meanwhile, the channel is created. This is the most important part of creating a YouTube channel. What you need to do here is that you don't have to post any video for about 48 hours. Now, within these 48 hours, you are going to prove to YouTube algorithm that your channel is real and you are a real human behind it. So what you need to do is that, since this channel is about relationship advice, I will go to my home page and search for relationship stuff. So maybe I will say why men cheat in a relationship. Now, I will search for that. Then what I will need to do here now is to watch all these videos about relationship advice. You can watch like 2 to 3 videos, but make sure you watch it to the end. You can watch videos of this lady, but make sure that you watch the video till the end. Now, when you watch like 2 to 3 videos, your channel history will be recorded. Now, when you go to your channel history, you'll be able to see all the videos you've watched. By so doing, you are training the YouTube algorithm to understand what your channel is all about. Now, when you've trained the algorithm, you can leave positive comment on some of those videos. Now, the algorithm already understands that your channel is about relationship stuff. And when you start posting, it will no longer be new for the algorithm. The algorithm will distribute your video to the right audience. This is how to create a functional and legit YouTube account. I'll be dropping videos on how to edit your channel banner, your channel logo, and any other things you need to fix, especially in the keyword aspects, so that your video can be distributed to the right audience and pop up when searched on YouTube search engine. If you are seeing my video for the first time, do well to click the subscribe button. And for my existing viewers, thank you for always supporting me. Have a lovely day.